Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to customize the search results area on WordPress blocksy. Okay, so as an example, let's search for power bank. Okay, and we should have some results for power banks. We have products, we have posts here. And what if we don't want our search results page to look like this, or we just want to organize it a bit better for easier viewing? Okay, so to get started, let's head over to our top toolbar here and click on Customize, and that should bring us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, once we're here, let's go ahead and search for the same thing, just so we have a preview for it. I just typed in my query, which is power bank, hit enter, and it should load up the preview for the search bar for us. Okay, once that's done loading, it gives us the preview here, which is the same as on our site. Okay, and let's scroll down, and you can see here, there's a section here, pages, author page, and search page. Let's go ahead and click on that, and let's start from the top going down to the bottom. So you can see we have page title here, and we can toggle this on and off, and watch what happens. The search results bar thing header disappears, and if we toggle that on, it should reappear. Okay, and we can customize it further by clicking on this arrow or this whole tab here, and you can see that we have two types here. One which has this bar here, and we can customize it by putting a background on it. Okay, we can even put an image here if we wanted to. And let's just use the default one again. This one has like a featured image if you wanted to put a featured image. And then we can also turn these on. And let's reload the page. And you can see we can configure these. We can add a content block here. We can add our breadcrumbs and a title and a subtitle. And you can see we have all of these, right? Alternatively, we can just disable everything. So I'll just disable these two, and we should have our breadcrumbs here. And I don't mind having that on there. And you can align it horizontally. And you can also change how much vertical spacing we have here. You can also change the design, so our font and our color, and that's fine. So let's head back to the main options here. And we have search results structure, and this is just how our results are going to be displayed. So we have 5 to choose from. We have simple, and let's wait for this to reload. Okay. We have classic. Okay. We have grid, which we had a while ago. We have enhanced grid, and that just puts 2 abreast and then 3 over here. And we don't have any search results for this query, so it doesn't put it all over there. And we have Gutenberg, right? And it just shows it like blog posts. Like many blog posts use this. Blog archives use this. So let's go with simple. Okay, and then we can choose how many number of posts we would want to display, or search results we want to display. And then finally we have, well, not finally, but we have card options here. And we can choose to enable or disable the post meta here. And, or here, in fact. Okay. Alternatively, we can enable this and configure what we want to put. So if I didn't want to put my name on it, just the published date, we can have that here. Alternatively, we can just have the author and not the published date, right? Or we can just omit it completely, and so on and so forth. So let's say I omitted my name, but I omitted the meta, but I wanted to add the read more button. Right? And there's a lot of things that you can do with this, right? And we can also change how much gap there is, and then the inner spacing of them. and the horizontal alignment of the text here. And we can have it simple or boxed, but I think having it boxed might be better. So let's return over here. And next we have our vertical area spacing. You can see it changes things, but having top and bottom keeps things nicely, evenly spaced out. And then next we have sidebar, and then we can enable or disable the sidebar on this page, and we can configure it from here, left or right. I'll just disable it for this one. You can also have live results. We can also have live results with product prices if we have any products here. And live results product status. Okay, so I'll keep those all enabled. And since I'm happy with these changes to our search page, let's click on Publish to save the changes. We'll head over to the other side and we will be seeing the changes. Okay, so here's our default search page. Let's reload our search results, and you can see that our search results page is now very much different. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.